Hey, what's up everybody? It's Mace, and I'm back here with another UFO book unboxing. And this time it is the UFO Magazine 2004 UFO Encyclopedia. Now this is a book that was written primarily by William Burns, who also hosted UFO Files and co-wrote the big book of UFO Facts with that Stephen guy. But the Big Book UFO Facts, it only really goes up to 1998, even though it was published in 2019. And I think that's really an important distinction because anything newer than 1998 is basically just pop culture facts and everything that was added by the Stephen author. And there's many things that Big Book misses out on too, like the Lonnie Zamora case or Varginha, Brazil. And it doesn't include a lot of the newer names in the UFO lore. But yeah, this is what the encyclopedia looks like. And if you see that image and it reminds you of anything, it's something that I honestly think they could have used to fake the Columbia UFO footage from inside that plane. If you watch that and you see it coming around, it's got pretty much the same exact shape. But yeah, it talks about everything in here. And it's got an introduction, alien artifacts, scars, scabs, and fresh wounds. Air Force studies of UFOs. Alien in a jar display from UFO encounters. NASA Voyager Mars aeroshell. Richard Boylan. The Brookings Institution that did a study on how they thought people would react to UFOs. Cattle mutilations, crop circles, Groom Lake, and of course Bud Hopkins, David Icke, his old lizard thing, JPL Laboratories, the face on Mars, Phoenix Lights, interviews with people in Roswell, and a bunch of other stuff in here, like Nathan Twining from the famous Twining memo about Majestic 12. And it's got a few different pages here at the end that explain a few different subjects. But hopefully this will be a lot more detailed and include a lot more than the UFO Facts book did. At least that's my hope. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like or subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.